برطانیہ کے شہر برمنگھم میں نواں سالانہ میگا میلہ سجایا گیا۔ میلے میں پاکستانی اور انڈینز گلوکاروں نے اپنے فن کا مظاہرہ کر کے انڈیا اور پاکستان کے گانوں پہ دھوم مچا کر لوگوں کو جھومنے پر مجبور کر دیا۔
Yeah, happy beat, tell me what you want, is it money, is it love?
گلوکاروں کی آواز کے جادو پہ رقص کرتے لوگوں نے دل کھول کر فن کا مظاہرہ کرتے اور داد بھی دے۔ میلے میں فوڈ، جولری، کپڑوں، جوتوں اور پرفیومز کے سٹالز لگائے گئے۔ میلے میں برمنگھم کے مضافاتی علاقوں اور برطانیہ کے دیگر شہروں سے بھی پاکستانی اور انڈین کمیونٹی نے شرکت کی۔ مزید تفصیلات زارا اکبر سے۔ جی زارا، اپڈیٹ کیجیے گا۔
Assalamu alaikum. We are here today at Washwood Heath Meileh. It's absolutely amazing. It's my first time here. Didn't even know something like this existed, but it's been great. There's so many things to do. There's an amazing horse show. There's amazing food. Lots of people here, and we're actually here today helping people save on their household bills, especially given the current times. You know, inflation's going up, prices are rising, and we help people by reducing their bills and putting more money in their pocket. So if you want to know more, please do reach out to us.
Hello, my name is Zainab and I'm in Modern Meileh and I have made a big stall and there are loads of people. I really love it.
बहुत अच्छा लगा है। तो मैं मेले पे आऊँ, लंदन में रहता हूँ, यहाँ पे आया हूँ, ठीक है। I'm helping my team as well, and not only our team, we're helping the community as well. We're helping them, especially the crisis of cost of living. We're not only helping people to save money on their utility bills, but also we're giving the community a chance to the entrepreneur to make money out of this opportunity as well. Because what's the talk of the town? Talk of the town is cost of living. Doesn't matter you go to mosque, you go to wedding, birthday parties, even newspaper writing, TVs talk about cost of living. And we have this solution for everyone. Anyone want to save money, anyone looking for a side hustle, or anyone looking to make a career out of that as well. And they say if you find the solution for millions, you can make a millions. And we are here to bring the value to our community as well.
We are here today at Birmingham Mega Meileh today. We are specializing in American freshly fried donuts. We are diner donuts. These are the donuts that we make. Freshly fried, we get them loaded, and it's very busy here today. There's horse racing going on, and there's a volleyball, and there's a platform, and there's a big turnout already.
वालेकुम, क्या हाल है जी आप? मैं मेले में आया हूँ और मैंने यहाँ पर अपना एक स्टॉल लगाया हुआ है। ये पाकिस्तानी परचम वगैरह, और हम 14 अगस्त का भी हमने बड़ा अच्छा स्टॉल लगाया हुआ है और बड़ा मज़ा आ रहा है और काफ़ी हल्ला गुल्ला है और बकाया भी बड़े स्टॉल लगे हुए हैं, खाने के स्टॉल लगे हुए हैं और काफ़ी अच्छा हो रहा है। Thank you.
Welcome to the Ward Meileh in Birmingham. It's been a wonderful day throughout the day basically, and a lot of people have come to enjoy the Meileh. It's been a wonderful day, beautiful day weather-wise, and everybody has contributed towards this Meileh. And as you can see behind me, it's still ongoing. It started at midnight, finishing around about 8 o'clock, and still the day is long, and I hope everyone has actually enjoyed the Meileh today. There's food stalls, activities for the children and for the elderly, and hopefully it may continue for a long time to come. And I certainly have enjoyed it with my family, basically. So even though I am really tired, but I'm still full of energy, and I've still got a few miles in the tank left. I hope you've all enjoyed it. And we wish to see you, hopefully, inshallah, next year with more people. Okay?
Founder of Melody Masters International. This was Birmingham Mega Mela 2025. The artists were awesome. Akbar, your husband in particular, absolutely just rocked the stage. All the artists were fantastic. They're all talented. They're local. हमारे अपने artists से कोई बाहर वाला नहीं है. I'm very big on promoting our own local talent. A big thank you to रेडियो आपकी आवाज़, Melody Masters International. Together मिलके हमने बहुत बड़ा यहाँ पर मेला पेश किया. उम्मीद करता हूँ आप लोगों ने पसंद किया. Hope you had a good time. Thank you for the support. Love you all. And remember, together we are stronger. MMI जिंदाबाद. MMI जिंदाबाद.
जी, मुझे इकराम मिर्जा कहते हैं. मैं रेडियो स्टेशन चलाता हूँ, रेडियो आपकी आवाज़, और रेडियो आपकी आवाज़ के तावन और MMI के तावन से बर्मिंघम मेगा मेला ने हमें मौका दिया कि यहाँ पर हम फैमिली इंटरटेनमेंट लाएं. और आज बड़ा मज़ा आया. तकरीबन 8-9 साल बाद हम यहाँ पर एक फैमिली इंटरटेनमेंट लेकर आए, और उम्मीद करता हूँ कि तमाम जो कश्मीरी और पाकिस्तानी कम्युनिटी है उन्होंने इंजॉय किया.